广东话。
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Be Cantonese. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to be a lazy person. If you have watched my videos before, you know that I always encourage you to learn Cantonese and improve yourself. But today, we're going to learn how to let go and just say these words to respond to a question you don't bother to make a decision on. So the first word we're going to learn is 是但. 是但. You can use this to answer any important questions, like what do you want for lunch? What do you want for dinner? Suppose you are very busy and these questions do not bother you, like they don't have a huge impact in your life. So 是但啦,是但啦. La is an expression. You can apply this word after the words I teach in this video. The second word you're going to learn is 算數. 算數. It will mean whatever, but in a very passive way, like you're about to give up. 唉,算數啦. 唉,算數啦. And the third word to express whatever is 求其. The difference between this word and the other two is that you actually know that you have a choice, but you choose to not care at all. For example, today you receive a package. It's a huge one and you don't have time, or you would just feel super lazy to put it where it should be. So instead of opening and organizing it, you just leave it here in the living room. 求其啦. 求其啦. Another example is that you might be a student and everyone is working their ass off to get a high grade, and for you, you just think that it's fine, I just have to pass that test, I don't care what score I get as long as I pass it. So in this situation, you just say 求其咯,求其考得啦,求其考得啦. I've heard that in some culture, dressing up is a shame. How? Why? In my opinion, I love dressing up for videos, or if I'm just going to somewhere close to home. I would never 求其着. 着 means 着衫, wearing clothes, putting on clothes. 求其着, dressing up casually. The next one you're going to learn is 你鍾意. 你鍾意. 你 means you. 鍾意 means like. So altogether it will mean as you like, you decide. People who genuinely don't have an opinion, or they trust you so much that you can make the decision for the whole team, will say this. 你話是. 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 我冇所謂. 冇所謂 means it doesn't matter to me. 冇所謂. Remember, if you say this, you volunteer to give up your consent in power. Let's do a quick recap. 是但. 是但. 算數. 算數. 求其. 求其. 你鍾意. 你鍾意. 你話是. 你話是. 冇所謂. 冇所謂. If your group thinks that you don't listen to them at all, you might be less likable and stubborn. But if you constantly give up your choices, then you're just a pushover. If you want to know how Cantonese shapes your position and your life, remember to download this book, I Heart Bitch. Right now, we have 4 chapters on the magic words and 3 chapters on how the magic works. It's a book designed for people who are ambitious and also sometimes get misunderstood. There are tips on how to gain back your power if you were a people pleaser, or if you just had a hard time on making your own decisions. After all, you're watching this channel for the Cantonese lessons and self-improvement, so make sure to subscribe and like my videos. I'll see you next time.